In this video, we will see what is the differences between a class component and a functional component. First of all, we will see what is a class component. Class component is like a basic JavaScript class which contains one render method and a return method. Inside the render method, we can return the HTML. So the class components is mainly focused on managing the state and writing the logic for React components. So when it comes to the functional components are only responsible for UI. So the functional components can also be written as an arrow functions or as an ordinary functions. The functional components only contains the return statement inside that function. So for nowadays, functional components are also used to manage the state better than the class components. So with the functional components, you can avoid the conflict of this keyword in functional components. So inside the functional component, we can write the hook, we can update it wherever we want. You can learn more about this in managing state videos.